guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been thinking about something I wanted to share. Ignore the lighting, by the way. It's nighttime and I'm trying to film. Ignore the mirror in the background, ignore the noise in the background. I'm washing, doing the laundry and all that. There's something that's been in my head for the last few days that I wanted to share with you. I think for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna probably title it creating your purpose in the season. And I think I'm gonna use that title because I've seen a lot of people mention that they feel lost, they don't know what to do, especially since the beginning of lockdown, this third lockdown. It's been painful, okay, here in the UK. People who are not working from home feel a sense of, I don't know, I want to say they feel lost. And I certainly feel that way. Like, you wake up and you have no job to go to. You pretty much sit at home all day, eat, watch TV, Netflix, go on YouTube, flick channels. And you're left wondering what you're meant to be doing. And for me, like I said before, I've pretty much been in the same situation. So when I see this, like on Instagram, I don't know, wherever else people are talking these days, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, I don't know, Snapchat, wherever I can really like understand, and I know exactly where they're coming from. But I'm talking about creating your purpose only because a lot of people seem to think that you're supposed to, be searching in deep things and, I don't know, praying and fasting. I do respect those things, and I think when it's time for you to do those things, or with certain things, you really should be doing those things in order to capture that. But not everything, is about prayer. Not everything is about fasting. Not everything is about going to God and talking when you know you're definitely not going to listen. I think for me, what is important for me in this season is for me to create the experience that I want to have this season. Whether I like it or not, the government is not letting me out. I think Patricia Bright said something, we're locked up, they won't let me out, just a few days ago when I was watching one of her videos. But it's pretty much the situation. It is what it is, okay? It is what it is, So what you can do, I think, and I've probably mentioned to you, or maybe if any of you have watched my one of my videos in the last quarter, from I think the last quarter of last year, I was talking about how you can live a productive life during this lockdown. And I'm going to come back to the same things. If you feel lost out here, create your experience. Do something that will fulfill your life. Do something that you've been yearning for in the last 10 years, 5 years. Don't stop thinking about the things that you used to think about before. Work on them. It's not enough to think on them, even though I just said to you, keep thinking about it. Obviously, the more you think about something, the more you develop the idea. But it's not enough to just think about it or develop the idea. Go on to implementing stuff. I think the results, or the pudding, I should say, is in us actually working towards something or building something. You can't just think, I want a house, I want a house, I want a house, I want a house. You have to actually start saving. You have to actually build your credit score. You have to, if you want to build your house from scratch as well, you have to get contractors and people and surveyors and, I don't know, contractors, builders in place to actually build your thing. You have to get planners, draw out your plan. All those things that you desire to have, produce them. Sorry, my video cut off. They don't want me to film this, Anyway, I was talking about how it's important to create your experience and try and live the way you want to live, rather than delve on ideas and things that people want you to have, or you think you're supposed to be experiencing in this season. Don't just sit there and be like, oh, the government doesn't want us to do this, so I'm just going to sit here and waste my time and I'm just going to watch TV and, listen. No, move, okay? Go and do something. If it's something you want to see in your life, if you want to learn how to play an instrument, work towards that. Try and see what you want to see in your life in this season, because time is going and time can never be redeemed. It's like literally the only thing that can never be redeemed. And as profound as that sounds, I don't think I even understand it properly with the way I've just said it, because I'm never going to be this age again. I'm never going to be this pretty again. Nah, let's not say that. I might be prettier, who knows. I'm never going to be have the youth that I have right now. So whatever I need to work towards, I need to do it right now. So instead of sitting down here and then thinking, oh, I can't do this, oh, I'm stuck at home, oh, I'm stuck at home, which you aren't really stuck. You are home to achieve something. There is a purpose for this season. You need to find it. Not just find it, create your own experience in your own home. Whether you need to go outside for 1 hour a day, you need to create that experience for yourself, rather than wallow in pity, rather than sit down and just think, oh, it's a problem. Oh, man, you know, when the road things are back on, I want to be able to do this. But no, start doing those things now. It's not enough to complain. We've been hearing that the whole of 2020. And a whole year, 12 months is gone just like that. And your New Year's resolutions here, they're still chilling on the paper and you haven't seen them come to pass. The time that you've had in the last 3 or 4 weeks in the UK, for those of you who are in lockdown, you haven't really achieved much. Even this whole week, have you achieved anything? And I'm filming this on a Friday evening, and I'm thinking, what have you achieved today? It's Friday night. What have you achieved today? Do you know what I mean? What are you going to achieve over the weekend? Tomorrow, what are you going to achieve? Sit down, think about all these things and get to implementing, because it's in the implementation or it's in the doing that we see results. People just think, and sometimes I hear people, they just talk, oh, I'm lost, oh, I'm this, oh, I'm that. And it's like, I promise you, we all get to that place. We all get depressed, but you have to be resilient. And I'm working on it. I want to do a video about resilience, by the way, emotional resilience. It's a tough one, in financial resilience. Sometimes you can fall so low, yeah? And it's like, nobody can pick you up. And I saw a very good analogy today that financial independence is basically like having a table with one leg. As soon as with 3 legs rather. If one leg goes wonky or breaks, you still got 2 legs for the table to stand on. But if you've got one source of income and it's just one table and it goes away, then there is no table anymore. It's just a flat, I don't know, Ouija board or wood that's on the floor. So you've pretty much got nothing. And I would really want to talk about financial resilience, emotional resilience, and a lot of things that people are going through right now. And it's like the anxiety, the confusion. And I've certainly been in that place. I'm probably still in that place, but every day I'm teaching myself and trying to do something, trying to stay active. This is what I've been doing in the last since the last quarter of 2020. I've been cooking, just blogging, typing as much as I can, writing, just doing anything that will keep my mind occupied, busy, and productive. And I'm learning a lot of songs and just listening to things that will build me, and watching a lot of YouTube videos, like mad YouTube videos. And I do recognize that my video is getting long. Obviously, I'm trying to make it short, but honestly, create your experience. I can't tell you any more than I've told you. Create your experience. If there's something you desire to have, don't wait till December. Go and get it. If it's a relationship, go and get it. If it's a job, go and get it. If it's I don't know what people want these days, to be honest with you. Like, I know what I want for myself, innit? For me, I want a pink license, the full driver's license. So I'm really working towards that. And I don't know how much revision I need to do, but I'm really going to get on it and try and achieve it before the year ends. Because again, like I said, I've been talking about it like some of you, if we're going to be honest. And I need to see these results. I actually need it to manifest in my hands right now, or soon. So I hope this video was useful to you as always. And like I said, I can't make it any shorter than I've already said. Create your experience and create your purpose for this season. Otherwise, the season will disappear and you will not have achieved anything. So yeah, I hope this video finds you well and is useful to you. And I hope you will stop by for my other videos as well. I'll catch you in my next one as always, okay? Bye, guys.